Welcome one and welcome all. This is the Breakthrough You podcast. I'm your host, Coach Molly from Three Pines Leadership, and thank you so much for joining me. If you're new here, every week I release a new episode. In that episode, you're going to get a very, very simple, easy to do, no excuses activity that will help you make massive changes in your life. But none of these activities are going to work unless you follow the process. And the process starts by first identifying what is most important to you. And we talk about this in 3 different areas because that's the easiest way to think about it. Think about what is most important to you. What kind of big, massive changes do you want to make in your life in these 3 areas? First area is your health. So think about your body, your weight, your overall health. What kinds of changes do you want to see in that area? The second area is your relationships and how you connect with other people. Do you want to deepen your relationship with your spouse? Do you want to find an attractive, better partner? Do you want to deepen your relationship with your kids? Do you want to have a better, more rooted connection with your community? What is most important to you? What kinds of changes do you want to see in your relationships? And the third area is wealth and finances and careers and all of that wonderful stuff. I love business. I love that area. Yeah, I do. I love it. So I don't care what your goal is. I don't care what your most important area is, but I need you to identify it. It's important for you. Because if you don't identify it, we can't build you a yellow brick road to get there. Even Dora the Explorer knows where she's going. So every week, I'm going to give you new activities, and I need you to connect with me on Twitter, on Instagram, on YouTube, at Three Pines Leadership, at Coach Molly, because I want to know what your goals are and how you're implementing this week's strategies to get there. What's in your way? How can I help you overcome those? Because on the other side, you're going to come through stronger, better, and way more focused. Today's activity is super simple. I want you to be grateful in every moment. Gratitude is great for your perspective and for your mood. And we all have things that we can choose to be grateful about. It's as easy as getting caught up in the negative things in your life that can derail you, that can take you off track. It's so easy for our minds to go to the worst case scenario. So this week, I want you to focus on harnessing that and flipping it to the other side. I want you to find the wonderful things, the silver linings, the positive outcomes, the learning moments. I want you to find gratitude. Because when you focus on the positive things, you become more capable and happier. And you start to be able to learn from your mistakes and learn from your stumbles along the way. So this week, I want you to spend 2 minutes every day making a list of the things that you feel grateful for. Keep adding to your list and notice how you feel after a few days. You can piggyback this. You can do this when you first wake up in the morning and you start your day with this. Or you can do it at the end of the day. It doesn't matter. Begin and end your day on a positive note. Do it at both times. It doesn't matter. What matters is that you actually do it. Piggyback it onto your journaling that you're already doing. Piggyback it onto your reflecting and reviewing for your day that you should already be doing. These are very, 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 very simple things that you can start doing in your life today. Because if you start doing this, I promise you, the world will completely change. Your perspective on the world will completely change because you'll begin to see all of the amazing things around you. You'll begin to see the world through glasses of gratitude, and there is so much abundance in that world when you start to look at it that way. So this is your very simple activity. Start to implement it. It's just 2 minutes every day. No excuses, my friends. If you're willing to take the chance, if you're willing to listen to this podcast, then you should be willing to take that step, to take a very, very simple step to changing your life. Because you deserve better, and you can get there, my friends. I promise you. I'm Coach Molly from Three Pines Leadership. This is the Breakthrough You podcast. Thank you so much for joining me. I will see you again next week and next episode for another challenge so you can start living the life you've always wanted and always deserved. Until then, remember, I love you and be excellent to each other.